Dill leaves, also known as dillweed, is a green leafy vegetable that has incredible therapeutic benefits and culinary applications. Coming from the celery, Apiaceae family, this annual herb goes by the botanical name Anethum graveolens. What are dill leaves good for? Health benefits of dill leaves: regulates diabetes, promotes digestion, fortifies bone health, prevents infections, remedies insomnia, boosts immunity, relieves pain and inflammation, eases respiratory issues. What is dill called in India? Sholpa. In India, dill is known as Sholpa in Bengali, shepu in Marathi and Konkani, savaa in Hindi, or soa in Punjabi. In Telugu, it is called Soa-kura. Can we eat dill leaves? The fronds are the part of the plant that you use most often, and unlike some other herbs, you can use a whole lot of dill leaves without overpowering a dish. Dill plays well with other members of its family, like fennel, celery, and carrots. Does dill burn fat? Dill leaves can help in weight loss as they are packed with nutrients and antioxidants and have very few calories. They also help to reduce the triglycerides levels in our body along with bad cholesterol. You can add dill leaves in your morning drink or green tea that will help to burn fat. What country eats dill? In Russia today, dill has been sprinkled far beyond the bounds of traditional cuisine and has made its way into increasingly unlikely places. It has become a potato chip flavor, a hamburger topping, a garnish for pizza. Which country uses dill the most? Dill is the king of herbs in Sweden. It is a key ingredient in many dishes, and the attractive feathery fronds are so often used as a garnish that it is almost a symbol of Swedishness. Swedes living abroad, who may go for weeks or months without ever even seeing dill, miss the iconic herb. Can you boil dill and drink it? You can add dill leaves in your morning drink or green tea that will help to burn fat. Just add a bunch of dill leaves in these drinks or even in just plain water and boil it for 5 to 6 minutes, strain the water and then drink it. The drink will help in digestion and will boost your metabolism levels. Is dill good for high blood pressure? Let's take a look at additional nutrients in 1 cup of fresh sprigs of dill. Potassium, 66 milligrams. This mineral helps keep blood pressure under control, may help reduce kidney stones, and may prevent bone loss as you age. Is dill good for kidneys? Yes, dill might be good for the kidneys due to its nephroprotective activity. It has antioxidants that fight against the free radicals and protect the body from renal damage. Is dill good for fatty liver? Administration of dill significantly reduced liver fat, oxidative stress, and increased cholesterol 7-alpha-hydroxylase enzyme at the both mRNA and protein levels. Dill extract was found more effective than its commercially available tablet.